to discuss about Revit. These Revit are based on the softwares of pure BIM software. What is BIM? BIM means Building Information Modeling. In this, next we are see this. Why do we need to call the software as Revit? We can call it as Revit. Why? Because of there is a immediate changes of a reflection of a respective user. If you are seeing any building in AutoCAD, any building in Revit, there is a lot of difference between them. If we take any building in AutoCAD, they take lot of time. In Revit, it will be also taken any changes instantly, immediately. There is, if you take any change, it will be immediately changes. So whatever changes we are updating in a view, the immediate changes will reflect in the respective views. That's why we are calling this software as Revit. Next, in this Revit, there are some features. They are silent features are BIM software beyond 3 dimension and bidirectional associativity and parametric modeling. In these modelings, we have to discuss about that. So first of all, what is BIM? BIM is a technology to create intelligent digital prototype of a building prior to construction. That means in this BIM system, building information modeling, we have to view the changes. It will be visible instantly. Here in this picture, we will observe this. Any type of structures, it will be done very immediately. At the same time, in this technology, we have to provide the global information of a project. Throughout life cycle, it will help the intelligent elements. Here, it is a technology which provides a global information about a project throughout the life cycle with the help of the intelligent elements. By using the intelligent elements, they use the technology and provides the project lifetime cycle. And BIM is a process of virtual simulation and optimization of a building facility and all its interactions from concept to demolition. That means here you can observe any type of variations, any type of classifications, any something, it may be designed in Revit. In any model, in any stage, at every stage we have to design the building or any type of design we have to see in virtually. And next, BIM dimensions. In this BIM dimensions, 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D and 7D. These are all the informations about 3D and 4D, 5D, 6D and 7D. What is 3D? 3D means existing condition model, laser scanning, ground penetration and radar conservations. Next, it is various safety and logistic models, animation rendering. All are shown in this BIM model. BIM driven in prefabrication and laser accountant BIM driven field layout. Like this, for different types of dimensions, different types of needs and processes are done. Bidirectional associativity. What is bidirectional associativity? A change in anywhere, a change in everywhere. If you change anywhere, it will be visible and it will be in claritable view in 3D also. Once we make changes in one particular view of your project, those changes will be updated immediately to the remaining views. First, suppose you have to give any change in a building, like if you want to give any door at a specific position in 2D, it will be also visible in 3D, and it will be also visible in the elevation of where you cut it in, where is the view. So obviously it will be activated on the elevation process also, and at the same time our 2D view and 3D view. Okay. Next, parametric modeling. In this parametric modeling, locking the elements with respect to the other elements or with dimensionals. Parameter means dimensional. Workspace in Revit. In Workspace in Revit, what is Workspace? Workspace means where we use the space as a drawing or design in Revit is Workspace. Project, generating project views, that means floor plan, 3D view, like that. Families, components or libraries. In Revit, first of all we are opening it, there is the option of you taking the project or families. In a project, if you open a file in project, you have to draw the designs of buildings, like that. If you are open the families, there is a architecture components like doors, windows, tables, shades, sofas, like that. There is options there. Next, Revit. In this Rivet Architecture, Rivet Structure and Rivet Map. There are three types in Revits. In these three types, we are mainly using the Rivet Architecture for buildings and Rivet Structures for this is also used by the civil engineers, but it will be structures. In this Rivet Architecture, we have the components of doors, windows, walls, like that. In Rivet Structure, we have the components of beams, columns, footings, isolated footings, like that. So, Rivet Architecture and Rivet Structure both are used by the civil engineers, but Rivet Map is different for that. Rivet Map means mechanical, electrical and plumbing materials we have to design in this. For mechanical, we have to design the joints and all mechanical tools, etc. And in electricals, we have to give the resistance and we have to give the electrical circuits, like that. In plumbing, we have to draw a pumps and corners and 90 fittings, like that. Okay. Next, in default library file location, if you want to save our Revit file, it will be located in, if you give the from my computers to C drive to data program to Autodesk and to Revit 2015, MEP RME 2015, RVT 2015. It will be located like that. Library components are templates, libraries and family templates. These three types of templates are also in Revit 2015. If you use new versions, it will be also 2020, like that. If we have save the Revit files, it will be like a formats of, for a project, it will be for Revit projects, Revit templates .rte. For this format, we have to add the at the end of our project name file. And next, rvt for project files, project templates, and family, it will be family template of .rft. libraries or components will be .rfa. These type of formats are saved at the end of our titles, which we give in any project names files like that. Next, how to open a new file. First of all, in our project there is the option of new, and go to new template dialog box and go to browse and browse that. There is a my computer option. Next go to C drive, program data, Autodesk. Next go to Revit 2015, RME 2015. Again go to templates, US, imperial per US metric, and then here default or default metric. Actually, there is an old version. If you want to open a new file, just go to double click on a Revit and next go to a project. On there we have the option of new. Just click on new option and go to new templates. There is a giving a name and it will be open as a workspace. Workspace like this. We have the naming for different components in this. Let us see this. In this AutoCAD also we have to naming the different components like this. Ribbon, tab bar, ribbon. This is a home like components are mentioned here as a ribbon, and quick access toolbars at top of that. And next ribbon temporary. Here will be green marks will be given. These are ribbon temporary. And here info center, it will be here. Navigation bar will be there, already we know that. And next context menu. If you give a right click on it, there is a context menu. And ribbon tools and ribbon panel will be here. And next it will be options bar. Here our left side there is a type of selector on properties play. And here also our properties palette, drawing window. This is our drawing window, and there is a project browser, and here we have the option of view control bar, and next this is our status bar. Type selector on properties palette, and these are our properties palette. It will be also important for us, which is located in our left hand side. Next, types of properties. In this we have two types of properties: instance property and type properties. Types of properties as category, family, and different sizes. If you give any component to the project plan, there are different types of properties and different types of dimensions also. These are shown in this bar. If you double click on any of that, there is a properties, there is a details for us. That means about that length, width, and which type of material we can use it for that, like that. Next, user interface shortcuts. If you rotate the 3D building, just hold the shift key and scroll our mouse middle button, plus move the mouse either left or right. Like that we have to rotate this as AutoCAD. Next, if you want palm, hold mouse middle button. Next, zoom in or zoom out, just scroll the mouse forward or back. Next, keyboard keys, space bar to flip the elements. Next, tap to select a particular element among the group of elements. Next, deselect, use shift key. Okay, up to here this is our Revit introduction class. In our next video we have to go to the software, and we have to discuss about BIM, building information modeling. Okay, thank you.